Hello everyone and welcome back to It's the Little Things with Becky. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. I got 2 packages in one day. But the one I'm going to talk about with you guys today is BoxyCharm came, which made my day. Let me tell you what, because it's been a couple of days, if you know what I mean. But anyway, so yeah, BoxyCharm for July came. Now, for those of you that don't know, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box. And what I have here is a base box where you get 5 full-size products of makeup each month. And then with the base box, you get to choose one of your items that will be in it every month. I'll go over the items with you guys, and then I will tally it up and we'll see if it matches the daily box value. The base box that I have here is $25 a month, or you can prepay for like one box. I want to say it's like 6 boxes and then like 12 boxes in advance. So there's that. And okay, alright, so she's looking full. Which, I mean, obviously there's 5 products in here, but just the way they have it, they're looking full. Alright, so this month's theme is sunshine, which is fun. They give you a little card that says what everything's in there and what the total value, or what the value is of each product. I'm not going to look at this though because I like to be surprised as well as you guys do. So, let's get in here and see what we got. So for the product that I picked, okay, that's just a little bit damaged, and mine looks like it was opened. I'm assuming nobody opened it, though. I'm going to go on good faith here. This is the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster Watermelon Green Tea and Pineapple. Guys, I have heard... Woo! Sorry about the lighting there. Camera doesn't want to cooperate. There we go. So I have heard good things about this here, but since it's already open on the bottom... Oh, Clean Skin Club is what it says on that side, but let's take this out. Woo! She's got some weight to her. Okay, so this is... I like the bottle, too. This is what she looks like. Okay, so a dropper size amount. Oh! This smells amazing. Oh my goodness, yes, I'm in love with it already, and I haven't even used it yet. I would use this, but I got a full face of makeup because I just did a video today on makeup. But anyways, I will be trying this out, so cool. Cool. Kind of weird how it came, like this part was popped off though, but whatever, maybe it did that in the box. I'm hoping it did that in the box. So our second item is the Beauty by Pop Sugar Make Waves Liquid Metallic Eye Color. Okay. So this is If Mermaids Made Makeup, a magic water that washes liquid color over the lids and dries fast to use. Shake bottle, spread across lids. Close eyes for a few seconds to let the color set, then simply shine bright. Oh, okay. Alright, neat. So that's what that looks like there. Oh, okay. And then on the inside, it's kind of cool. It says, I'm not sure how well you guys can see that, but it says, push yourself, excuse me. Alright. Ooh, that's runny, but it says to shake it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And then the shade name of this is Make Waves. Oh, okay. So it looks like, I'm not sure how you guys can see it, but like waves or whatever in the bottle there. That's different. That's cool. I dig it. That's neat. Okay, and then our next product I see right here is a Hourglass I can't read today. Hourglass Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. Micro Crayon Arch. Oh, okay, so it's like an eyebrow pencil. Okay. So that's what that looks like. Honestly, this is the first eyebrow product I have because normally I don't do anything with my eyebrows, but hey, why not? Okay, I heard good things about Hourglass. Cool, dark brunette. Should be fine. Cool. Oh. Alright, that's different. So, that's the tip on it, but it kind of, like, I'm not sure how well you guys will be able to see that, but it kind of has, like, almost like a triangle effect, if that makes sense. Like an oval, I guess. But that's neat. Cool, cool. I can't wait to try that out. Okay, so that was that. And then we have what I see here is Grace and Stella. It's like an energy drink for your eyes. Eye mask. Ooh, okay. Anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. Oh. Oh, okay. So there's that. Of course, let's open it up and find out what they look like, huh? Alright, so I finally got it open. Trust me, nobody was going to be stealing this. Okay. So just like I suspected, it's like a normal under eye mask, which is totally fine, but you get a lot, guys. Like, on the inside of this here, it says, good choice. I love that. Ooh. Oh, okay. Alright, so that's what they look like. So that's cool. It's like a little tangerine. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 of those, of these packets. That is so cool. Cool, cool, man. I'll have enough of these to last me forever. So cool. I can definitely tell why this is sunshine. It really fits the theme of, like, ocean and, you know what I mean. And then the last but not least here, we have maybe a palette. Cute packaging. Alright. Ace, I hope I'm not butchering this. Ace Beauty? Think Beauty. Bronzed in Paradise. That's what that looks like. Let's open it up. Ooh, is this a bronzer? I think it is. Okay, so she's definitely bronzing. Okay, so it's like, I believe it's a bronzer. Which is fine by me. I like bronzing. I'm thinking maybe these two shades would be too dark, but this one or this one I could make work. Well, neat. And I like it has a mirror in it because those of us with glasses and they're trying to put on makeup and you can't see because you don't have your glasses on because you're trying to put on makeup, this helps a lot. So fun stuff. Alright. So now that we went through everything, I'm going to move this over here. I am going to go through everything in the value of the box, and I'll tell you guys the value here too, of what everything is, and see if my value matches up. Alright, so the base box value that you're supposed to get every single month is $125 worth of beauty products every month. So I got my calculator here. Well, I didn't show you the calculator, I showed you my phone here. But let me get out my calculator, like so. Oh, ignore that number, that's an old number. Alright, so let's go over these here. So the Clean Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster, that is a $49.95. Sorry, I had to like pause it. I was trying to grab this. So this right here, $49.95. So let me type that in. $49.95 plus the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil, which is right here. If you guys just see my door open, that was my cat pushing the door open. That is, ooh, $28. Wow. $28 plus The Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette. That is $30. So this right here, I love that packaging though. That's gorgeous. So the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle Energizing Eye Masks, 12 pairs. I guess I could have just read this and know how many pairs was in it, but oh. That's $21. And the reason why I do this, guys, is I'm just curious to make sure I'm getting like a value of what they said I should be getting, and I do it for fun. Beauty by Pop Sugar Make Waves Liquid Metallic Eyeshadow here. So this right here, that is $23. Okay, so 23.00 equals $151.95. So with that being said, I think 125 is what it's supposed to be worth, and we ended up 151. Yeah, I definitely say we are well over the amount we were supposed to be. So there's that number. Once again, that's good though. Cool. I'm excited to use all this stuff. This is like my first brow pencil, so I'm anxious to try that. You guys keep on the lookout for my next video where I am trying out all the makeup in this, and I will keep you guys informed on how I like the eye masks. And I've really been waiting on this brightening booster. Whoops, make sure that doesn't fall out. But I've been really anxious for this. As soon as my camera focuses, there it goes. I've been really anxious to try that, so I will let you guys know how that is too. Now, going back to BoxyCharm, let me explain. So the other options you have for BoxyCharm. Now, these options I do not have, but I wanted to tell you. You can get BoxyCharm Premium, which is you get more items a month, and the value more makeup and skincare items a month, and that is $245 value. And I believe you get to pick more than one thing that you want in your box a month. And then there's also the Boxy Luxe edition, where that is a seasonal box, I believe, and that I'm not sure what's all in there. Okay, so you can get for Boxy Luxe up to $500 value of stuff. So that's pretty darn cool. Now, with all that being said, I wanted to tell you guys like about the boxes again. So I had the base box, and that's $25 a month. I myself personally prepaid for like 12 months. And then there's 3 months that you can get for $23.33 a month. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I should have mentioned that in the beginning. I just really enjoy BoxyCharm. Anyway, so 3 months is $23.33 a month. I'm reading it off the website here, so that way I give you guys accurate information. You can prepay $70 for 3 months. And then there's 6 months, and that's $23 a month. Or you can prepay $138 for 6 months. Okay? And then there's 12 months, and that's $22.92 a month, or prepay $275 for the full year, which is kind of like an option I did, but for the base box. So hopefully that makes sense there. So yeah, do I recommend BoxyCharm? Yeah, I've been doing this since, how long have I been doing this for? 3 months. I've been doing this for 3 months. Sorry, I had to go back and look. This will be my 3rd month, so I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, I haven't had any problems. There's not really been too much in the boxes that I haven't liked, or at least found of use of something. So like if I didn't personally like it, I could gift something to somebody and they will love it as well. But mostly everything I get is what I love. Now, I wanted to tell you guys too, if anybody is interested, you can have, or I have a referral link, and I'll link that in the description to give you. And then I also have a referral code that I can share with you guys at the time of checkout. That is also linked in the description. What that does is it helps me get charms, and then you guys can also get signed up that way as well. And Charms also leads me just to like buying stuff on that website if I so wish. But anyways, the referral code and the referral link is in the description box below. I hope I've explained everything to where you guys could understand. I know I'm kind of all over the place, but I am really happy with this month's box. I'm excited to try everything, and I will definitely let you know. That is it for me today. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Also, if you haven't yet, I would really appreciate it. A big old thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. And then if you so wish, you can go and subscribe by hitting the little bell. I never remember what corner it's either this one or this one. Bell over there in the corner. You see future uploads from me. And if you want to check out my Facebook page, also by the same name at It's the Little Things with Becky. I would love to have you there as well. I do makeup looks. I share these videos over there as well. And then I do like my final finished product look at the end of the videos. And then there's TikTok. I'm on TikTok. And if you guys want to see me there, it's Becky-YVBUHNIL. This is also linked under the description below. That if you guys want to see me on there as well, I would love to have you. With all that being said, I am done rambling at this point, and be on the lookout for my next video where you guys will get to see these products and I'll test them out. But anyways, that's it for me. I will see you guys very soon with another new video, and I hope you guys are well and safe. Bye.